Hey you guys, what is up and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel, make sure you thumbs up this video, and make sure you're following me on all my social media sites. And in today's video, I have it right here. I wanted this to be cute, but they weren't even right here. So in today's video, we will be putting Cetaphil's gentle foaming cleanser to the test with Cetaphil's gentle skin cleanser, and which one should you buy? Now, they both will run you about the same price, which is about $6 plus tax. And looking at the ingredient list, in my opinion, I will have to say that the foaming cleanser is the cleanest one out of both the gentle skin cleanser, because it has vitamin B5, vitamin E, and it doesn't have parabens in it. So the Cetaphil gentle skin cleanser actually has parabens in it, which is interesting. A lot of them. Like a lot. So yeah, but they're both fragrance-free cleansers. So we're going to go ahead and swatch both products. Okay, so the first product we are going to go ahead and swatch is the gentle foam cleanser. So that is what it looks like. And now let's go ahead and swatch the gentle skin cleanser. Oh my God. Did y'all see that? Like, what is going on? So yeah, that is the gentle skin cleanser, and let's do the foam. Okay, you know, honestly, feeling wise, they feel about the same to me, which is interesting. Wow. But this is the texture of both products. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put them on my face. Okay, you guys, so I am going to put the gentle foam cleanser on this side of my face and the gentle skin cleanser on this side of my face. So I am just going to, you know, do that. There we go. Don't even go there with me. Y'all know this is a skincare channel, not a makeup channel. I am not supposed to be trying to, oh my God, what is going on? Did it get in my mouth? Okay, here we go. Now let me start rubbing the gentle skin cleanser. Oh my, you guys, this is so interesting. Like, there is way more slip as I'm rubbing them. There is way more slip with the gentle skin cleanser, and the foam is not, the foam doesn't have that slip that the gentle skin cleanser has. Wow, that is really interesting. This one just feels like rough and ragged on the skin, and whereas in the gentle skin cleanser feels way more like soft and hydrating and supple, you guys, like really. So this is the gentle foam cleanser, and this is the gentle skin cleanser. Look at it, it's like virtually not there. Okay, so what I am going to do is go ahead and rinse my face, and then we can talk about it. Okay, you guys, so my face is rinsed. I just want to say this, like, as I was washing my face, there was a huge difference in the way both felt. Like, this side feels really rubbery, the gentle skin cleanser side, as in the gentle foam cleanser side feels a little bit more soft but rough at the same time. It's weird how it feels, but this side feels like pleather. If you don't know, it's like leather pleather, you know? You know, if you're vegan, you will wear pleather. So anyway, let me just go dry my face. Okay, you guys, so I am close up all in your face. So this is the gentle skin cleanser side, and this is the foaming cleanser side. So what I am going to do is go ahead and turn the light down, because I know it's bright, but I just want y'all to see my face when it was really bright. Okay, you guys, so here is my face with the light down. Here is the gentle skin cleanser side. Here you go. And here is the gentle foam cleanser side. Here you go. Let me look in the mirror. I will say the gentle skin cleanser is much brighter on my skin. The Gentle Skin Cleanser is actually much gentler on my skin just looking in the mirror. Like you can see right here, you guys see that texture? But you can't see it on the Gentle Skin Cleanser side. So yeah, and I will say that the foaming cleanser is drying my face out way quicker than the Gentle Skin Cleanser is. So you know what, you guys, let's talk about it. The better of the two will honestly be the Gentle Skin Cleanser, but if you are on a budget, effectively looking to remove your makeup and sort of like dry your skin out. Some people like to dry their skin out, especially if they don't exfoliate. Some people just like to dry their skin out. That's just what some people do. I don't judge them. If you like to dry your skin out, that's just what you like to do because it helps you get that feeling that it's clean. If you like that squeaky clean feeling, then you may want to go ahead and go with the Gentle Foam Cleanser. If you are looking to remove all your makeup without having to wash your face about 5 or 6 times, then you may want to go with the Gentle Foam Cleanser because you would probably have to do it twice depending on the beat you have on your face. Whereas in the Gentle Skin Cleanser, I'm gonna be honest with you, probably do it about 3 or 4 times with the Gentle Skin Cleanser. However, if you don't care about any of that, you're just looking for which one performs better on your skin, which one gives your skin a little more brightness, a little more luster to it, it would be the Gentle Skin Cleanser. It just looks way better on the skin. It was much brighter. It gave my cheeks a little more bounce and a little more poofiness, and it was much softer on the skin. It didn't strip my skin of any oils the way the Gentle Foaming Cleanser did. And if you like foaming cleansers, then you're just gonna like the Gentle Foam Cleanser. Some people like foaming cleansers. I am not here to judge which cleanser you like. It depends on you. I am just here to give you I am just here to compare and contrast the products with you. However, if you like foaming cleansers, I'm not here to judge you. With that being said, it really depends on what you're looking for. But honestly, for me, I don't wear a lot of beat makeup. Y'all all see me. You see my Instagram. Every once in a while, I'll get glammed up and do a cute little photo. I need to get some new wigs because all my wigs look busted the house now, so I could do another cute Instagram photo. Anyways, you guys, with that being said, I'm just saying this to say that, you know, I don't wear a lot of beads, so I don't need a heavy foaming cleanser to get rid of all the makeup. So I would just normally just get the Gentle Skin Cleanser because that one would personally perform better. This side of my face where the Gentle Foam Cleanser is much tighter than this side of my face with the Gentle Skin Cleanser. And you know, with that being said, if we were at the store, I am going to go ahead, even as a Libra, I am going to go ahead and get the Gentle Skin Cleanser. I really don't care for foaming cleansers. I don't know. I feel with foaming cleansers, you're wasting product. That's just my opinion. But some people like them and some people love them. I just don't feel like my skin is really clean with a foaming cleanser. I don't know. I don't like foaming cleansers. I don't know why. That's just me. Let me know in the comments down below. Y'all like foaming cleansers? I really want to know. With that being said, you guys, I really hope I gave you enough information to go out and make your purchasing decision. With that being said, you guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you thumbs up this video and make sure you're following me on all my social media sites. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye, you guys. Mwah.